trick. These wheel extensions, the brass ones, I got these for the AX24. Well, the pin on the axle sits too far down in there, so this actually hits the bearing before the pin hits the inside. So I was going to shave that off so it sits a couple millimeters further in. I tried it on the left wheel on the back, and it worked, because I was having a problem with these things loosening up, and if you tighten them down too tight, the wheel won't turn. So what I did, I got me a socket and crammed some tissue paper in there so it doesn't sink too far in, like that. Then you take a razor blade and you place it right there, right there. Look at that. Clean as a whistle. Super quick. Check it out. Try it.